This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Morello. Looking for space? This property will not disappoint. 5-bedroom home situated on an enormous 14,607 square feet lot on a very quiet street, no through traffic. Brand new roof recently installed, home has been freshly painted and pool diamond bright. Interior is original, perfect for end user to purchase a large home in Plantation at a great price and remodel with all their personal taste and finishes. Split bedroom floor plan with separate living room and family room that leads out to screen and enclosed, covered patio and pool area. Most windows are impact. Yard is fully fenced and private, perfect for family fun, entertaining and gardening. Excellent opportunity to update this home and make it your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Morello at 954-684-1795.